Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Spine X tutorial how to rotate. So for example, I will create a simple object with these brush tools. Okay, I will create in here. Now if you want to rotate this object, you can use the transform tools. Click this icon transform and then click these icons again to rotate the object. You can click hold and then rotate, release to apply. If you done, you can click this check button. So I will create again the new layer and then draw with these brush tools, change the color into blue color, and I will draw in here. Now use transform tools to rotate the selected object. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Spine X tutorial, how to rotate. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.